What if I told you that you could start a YouTube channel today and hit over 3 million views in just 2 months? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what's happening with a channel called the Psyche. They're growing at insane speed, and after diving deep into their strategy, I can confidently say this is one of the easiest and most profitable content niches on YouTube right now. And the best part, anyone can do it, even with zero experience. How did they grow so fast? Here's what makes this story so crazy. Launched just 2 months ago in December, already has over 3 million views, gained 74,000 subscribers in record time, posts simple psychology and philosophy videos daily. Each video takes only an hour or two to make. Yes, you read that right. Daily uploads, rapid growth, and minimal effort. This is what makes this niche so powerful. While other YouTubers spend days editing a single video, these guys are growing fast by keeping things simple. So what's the secret? Let's break it down step by step. Here is a sample binge-worthy video in this niche that I created using the steps I am teaching in this video.
Imagine this. You wake up to the sound of your heart pounding, an echo of dread reverberating through your entire body. You stare at the ceiling, weighed down by an inexplicable heaviness. It's not a physical pain, but something deeper tension that clings to your thoughts like a restless shadow. You reach for your phone, scrolling through countless stories of tragedy, hardship, and doom. Everyone's talking about suffering, sharing it as though it's a prized possession, almost as though we collectively crave it. The more you read, the more you realize that beneath all the shiny distractions and digital facades, there's a subtle reverence for pain, like it's something sacred that binds us in our shared misery. Look around and you'll see it creeping into conversations, art, and entertainment. People wear their struggles like badges of honor, competing in an unspoken contest of who has endured the most. Self-help gurus discuss overcoming adversity, but often make the suffering itself feel like a necessary path to authenticity. It's as if we've constructed an entire cultural myth that pain is the ultimate validation of our humanity. We condemn it on the surface, yet secretly worship it as proof that we're truly alive.
Sounds interesting and engaging, right? That is the intro of the video. If you are interested in watching the full video, I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going to recreate this video from scratch. It's a simple and fun process, and if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly how to do it in just 7 easy steps. Now let's break down each of the steps required to create the most engaging binge-worthy psychology video on YouTube. Step 1. Find an easy and profitable niche. Not every YouTube niche requires crazy editing, high production value, or expensive equipment. Psychology and philosophy content is a goldmine because you don't need to be an expert, you just need the right research tools. Minimal editing required, no flashy effects, just smooth storytelling. Mass appeal, people love deep, thought-provoking content. Consistent demand, this kind of content never goes out of style. The Psyche tapped into one of the easiest ways to create binge-worthy videos, and you can do the same. And I believe they are cashing out big time from YouTube. Step 2. Content ideas in minutes. You might be thinking, but I don't know where to start. No problem. I've put together a Google Doc full of content prompts that can generate unlimited video ideas instantly. This document is available on our Telegram channel. You can find the link to our Telegram channel in the description. Here's what to do. Open the document. Find the heading Topics prompt. Copy everything under it. Now head over to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any AI text generator. Paste in a prompt and watch it produce dozens of engaging video topics in seconds. Pro tip. If you don't like the first batch of ideas, hit regenerate for a fresh set. Browse through and choose a topic from the list provided by ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or your chosen AI text generator. Now you are ready for the next step. Step 3. Write a high-engagement script without writing it yourself. Once you have your topic, it's time to turn it into a script. But don't worry, you don't need to be a writer. Just grab my pre-made script writing prompt from the Google Doc you already have, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. Set the word count. The Psyche's scripts are 3,100 to 4,000 words. Let the AI generate a structured, high-quality script in seconds. Pro tip. The script is broken into 5 sections, so just type next after each part to generate the rest. Now you have a fully written video script without lifting a finger. Let's proceed to the next step. Step 4. Generate a voiceover in minutes. Instead of recording your own voice, you can use AI voice generators to do the heavy lifting. For this style of content, a calm, deep voice works best. You can use 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers realistic AI-generated voices. They are perhaps the market leader in this niche. Minimax Audio. Minimax Audio is the new kid in town for AI-generated voices. It is a great alternative with professional narration quality. I will showcase how to generate your AI voices in each of these tools. Creating the voiceover via 11 Labs. Next, we need to turn our script into a professional-sounding voiceover. 1. Go to 11 Labs and choose a natural-sounding voice. 2. Head over to the voice library to find the perfect voice. Select the voice you like that suits your script. 3. Copy and paste your script, then generate the voiceover within minutes. Here's how to do it in Minimax Audio. Head over to Minimax Audio website. Log in or register if you are a new user. Pro tip, Minimax Audio offers some free credits. You can use this to test their platform. They have really nice voices. You can tweak them to your liking. Click on the text-to-speech menu. Paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into the text-to-speech box. Set the language to English or any other language of your choice. Choose from the available voice actors. You can as well clone your own voice, if you so wish. Minimax offers this feature. Tweak the voice settings and hit the Generate Speech button. Instantly, your narration is ready to go. With the voice generated, you are now ready for the next step. Step 5. Create stunning visuals with AI. Instead of spending hours searching for stock footage, use AI-generated images. Copy the image prompt generator from the Google Doc. Paste it into ChatGPT. Ensure you paste it below the script you generated earlier, and enter the number of images needed, around 4 to 8 for each section, depending on the length of your script. ChatGPT will generate the requested prompts to create high-quality visuals. Now copy each prompt and head to Ideogram AI. Sign up if you have no account yet, or sign in if you already have an account. Ideogram gives free credit for image generations. You can pay for a plan if you want faster generation. Pro tip: Ideogram generates 4 images per generation. Also, they have a new model called Ideogram 2A. It is their fastest and cheapest model. Paste the prompt you copies from ChatGPT. Hit generate and Ideogram will generate 4 images for you within seconds. Now you have custom-made visuals that fit your narration perfectly. Let's proceed to the most important step of this process, in my opinion. Step 6. Editing made simple. If you're worried about video editing, don't be. This style of content is super simple to edit. CapCut is an easy free option that lets you import your voiceover plus AI images. Trim unnecessary pauses in the narration. Add a typed-out quote at the start, just like the Psyche does. Use the typewriter effect for a polished look. Add a soft lo-fi background track. Pro editing trick. Add a zoom-in effect on images to create movement. It makes static images more engaging without extra work. Feel free to add filters and animations as you may require. 2. Formatting the quote for visual impact. Now that we have the quote, let's make sure it looks polished on screen. Open CapCut, or your preferred editor. Add a text box at the beginning of the timeline. Format the text for maximum readability. Font style, keep it simple and professional, for example, Merriweather or Georgia. Now let me show you how to add a powerful quote for maximum engagement. One thing the Psyche does exceptionally well is starting their videos with a deep, thought-provoking quote, typed on the screen but not included in the voiceover. This instantly hooks the audience, setting the tone for the entire video. Here's how to add this element seamlessly. 1. Generate the quote. We'll use AI to generate an engaging quote that fits the video's theme. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the quote generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Hit enter and let AI produce a compelling quote. Pro tip: if the first result doesn't feel powerful enough, hit regenerate until you find one that truly resonates. 3. Create a typing effect for a cinematic feel. The Psyche's videos use a smooth typewriter animation, making it feel like the quote is being written in real time. Here's how to replicate that. In CapCut, while the texts are selected, go to Animations. Search and select the animation that imitates typing effect. Adjust the speed, 3 to 4 seconds works best. This will make the quote appear gradually, engaging the viewer before the narration kicks in. 4. Add a subtle sound effect. To make the typing animation feel more immersive, add a soft typing sound effect in the background. Go to Audio Sound Effects. Search for typewriter or keyboard typing. Select one that sounds natural and drag it under the text layer. Trim it to match the quote's duration of the text. This small detail enhances professionalism and adds immersion without distracting from the main content. 5. Ensure perfect timing. After the quote is fully displayed, make sure there's a short pause before the narration starts. Move the voiceover slightly to the right in the timeline. The narration should start after the quote has fully appeared. This keeps the pacing smooth and gives the audience a moment to absorb the quote before the main content begins. Final result. Now, when your video starts, viewers will see a deep, thought-provoking quote, a smooth typing effect, a subtle typewriter sound, a perfect transition into the narration. This small but powerful addition makes your video feel more professional, engaging, and immersive, just like the Psyche's viral content. And that's it. Your video is ready to download and upload to YouTube. Step 7. Thumbnails. That actually get clicks. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab attention. The Psyche uses minimalist thumbnails with a powerful image and a bold, readable phrase. Here's how to make one. Just grab my pre-made thumbnail prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. Hit submit. Let the AI generate the prompt for a high-quality thumbnail in seconds. Now copy the thumbnail prompt and head to Ideogram AI. Paste the thumbnail prompt into Ideogram AI and hit generate. Ideogram will generate 4 high-quality thumbnail images. You can regenerate the images until you get the ones you like. Choose the image you like and download accordingly. Pro tip: YouTube allows for 3 thumbnails per each video, so you can actually select 3 images for your 3 thumbnails. Now we will use Canva to add text to the thumbnail images. Remember, choose a clear, eye-catching font. Pro tip, keep your text short, 3 to 5 words max, so it's easy to read at a glance. Download your high-quality thumbnail ready for use for your video. Final step, upload and optimize for maximum views. Now that you have edited your video, it's to upload it to YouTube, add your title, write a keyword-rich title and description. Of course, ChatGPT can help you do this. And that's it. You're now ready to start your own high-performing YouTube channel. Why this works, and why you should jump in now. This niche is a goldmine because low effort, high reward, no complicated editing or expensive gear needed, fast content creation. You can make a full video in a couple of hours. Easy monetization. The Psyche's channel is already monetized. Beginner friendly. You don't need experience, just a system that works. If you've been waiting to start a YouTube channel, this is your moment. I've also compiled a list of other profitable, beginner-friendly YouTube niches that are blowing up right now. If you want to see what's next, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Special shout out to iTrends. He inspired this video. Please show love to his channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.